Hi, Asura Industrial Expert. Recently, I'm developing a system for a vehicle project. The vibration is the key point for the project. Do you have any good ideas how I can make more steady installation for the memory?
You are asking the right person. Asura Industrial always checks stability and quality for our customer. We developed the motherboard with memory breakage support. It provides the extra strength on DRAM stability. Now, let me show you how to assemble the memory breakage on our support model. This feature is supported by the model list on the screen. They are IMB 1313 and the IMB X1313 based on Micro-ATX form factor, and the IMB 7011 and the IMB X7011 based on ATX form factor. The memory breakage will be an optional accessory on these models. It brings you more system stability and DRAM protection.
This is a really brilliant design. I will give you a nice order for the board and bracket.
Thank you.